Mercedes, are you having fun in the snow? No? No? You said snow, actually. Snow? Go get in it.
This is your first snow.
Go get in the snow.
No.
You're afraid of it. What are you saying? Hey. What are you gonna do? She's not sure about this.
See if you can get a smile.
He smiled.